Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to easily translate your YouTube channel into several languages using AI. You will see it is very simple. The first thing to do is to go to voicecheap.ai. Actually, it is simply a tool on the browser that allows you to translate your videos very easily. So you can click this button to try it for free. Right here. You will then arrive at a login page where all you have to do is log in via Google or enter your email. Once you are logged in, you just have to answer a short questionnaire. So here we go. Let's answer quickly. You put your language. There you go. It takes a few seconds and you arrive on this page. Basically, it's a little onboarding to help you get familiar with the tool. So, for example, we are going to translate his first video. We click on this button here. So actually, there are several possibilities. Either you import your video, so an audio or video file, or you import a YouTube link. But we are going to use a new feature from VoiceCheap, which is called Smart Publish. So basically, this will allow you to connect your YouTube channel, see all your videos directly, and be able to translate them very easily. So we go back to the home page, and normally, if you have finished the onboarding, you have a little button right at the bottom that tells you to quit. If you ever have this interface, all you have to do is connect your YouTube channel and choose your YouTube channel. In my case, I am going to choose the VoiceCheap YouTube channel. Once you have properly connected your channel, you should normally see it appear right here. You choose the video you want to translate. For example, in my case, I am going to choose one of the tutorials I made recently, or rather, a short video. For example, let's take this one. Click Translate, get the link, then hit Continue. Click Free Trial, then log in. Just answer this quick survey. Basically, it shows you how to use the tool. Log out. So here I choose the target language. Since the video is in French, I will choose French here. It's always better to specify it to avoid any problems. Here, I pick this. On the home page, tap Exit. And Spanish, for example. That title works perfectly for this video. Next, I select the speaker. And then in the advanced settings, I add VoiceCheap as a brand term. We save, no need to add an SRT file, in my case. And now I click on Create a new project. The translation and the transcription have started and you can see the progress right here. And once it's finished, you will be able to click on it. So the video is ready for review. I click on it. And now you have to choose a few settings. Am I going to keep the background noises? Yes. Do I want to enable the subtitles? Not necessarily in this video. Here you have the voice isolation method. I recommend that you leave it in most of the studio, so we'll leave it for this video. I can use voice cloning. It's the default option. So I'm going to leave this option here, but be aware that there are other less expensive options, for example, like pre-recorded voices. You can also import audio files to clone a voice directly here. I'll choose voice cloning for this video and save. Here you have the transcription on the left and you have the translation of this transcription on the right. The idea is to quickly reread the transcription to see if everything is okay, if there are no typos or anything like that. And then once everything is good, you can start the translation. So here I will first read through it again to make sure everything is correct. So I play the video and I listen and read at the same time. Okay, so I saw a few little typos that I corrected. So now what I'm going to do, once I've corrected the transcription, is choose your language. I click here to translate into every language. Translate first video, click here. And now it has been retranslated into English and Spanish. Great, so once that's done, I just have to click on translate the video. Now you can see the progress of the translation right here. So here I started in English, but I'm also going to start in Spanish. You can also now add a new language, for example. Let's say I want to add Chinese Mandarin it has been added. Now I can also launch the translation into Mandarin. I can relaunch it several times. The translation, for example, if I want to test different punctuation or change the words used in the video. Simply make changes here, retranslate, select the right language that suits me, and then I click again on translate. Here you have several actions such as adding a new language, replacing all occurrences of a word to go faster. You can also see the different keyboard shortcuts to go faster. We can see that the translation into English is finished. Import a file or link your channel to Smart Publish for translation. It's to enable lip sync and publish it on YouTube. The first thing I'm going to do is enable lip sync. I click here. I check if it suits me, if it matches the video. The feature is still in beta. It's better to have only one face even though it can handle several. I'm going to activate lip sync and I'll show you right after how to publish on YouTube. So here I have a button called Smart Publish, which will allow me to publish on YouTube. And actually, right here, as soon as I click on it, it will translate. It shows the English title in your chosen language and translates any description. In my case, I had only added one single channel, so I am going to add my other YouTube channel, which is in English. So now I see that I have indeed added my second YouTube channel. I'm coming back to the project in question, and here I can therefore add a thumbnail. Here I can also change the visibility of the video. At this point, I'll set it to private, for example. Then I choose my English channel here. So the title works. Here you can add a description. I don't need one. And all you have to do is click on publish. And it will publish your video directly to your YouTube channel. So it's much simpler, much faster than translating by yourself. And so now you can imagine publishing and translating into several languages, and it's really time consuming. And now, if I want to do the same for Spanish, I just have to click on it. It will translate the title and the description. And I can also directly publish on my channel in Spanish. This browser translates videos in seconds. Click this button to try it free and reach the login page. Sign in with Google or email. Once connected, here I know that this is an English channel, so I'm going to set it to English. There we go, and done. And right away, VoiceCheap will recognize the language of the video in order to translate it into the correct language and to offer you a translation that matches the language of your channel. There you go, that was all for this video. Now that you know how to very easily translate your YouTube channel into several languages, see you soon for another video.